is another beautiful day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it, and I'm glad that you could join me. Welcome. What a picturesque view to start a video. I mean, it's not like action scene, but that's a pretty nice view. So my tax returns came back, and unlike last year, I actually got money back. I mean, in all of my years of being an American taxpayer, I have never had to pay in, except for last year. Oh, and when Obama was in.
Thank you for reminding me. Thanks, Obama.
And now this year, same income, same everything. Nothing has changed from last year. I get money back. Well, one thing changed.
God bless you and God bless America. Thank you very much.
But hey, that's all behind us. No more politics. Hey, check out the big rocks I found. Those are pretty big rocks. So I would like to use the previously mentioned allocated funds to improve on the infrastructure for the channel.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Or in layman's terms, I want to put a door on the shop, install a wood stove that I have laying around, and put up some kind of storage barn for finished projects. I mean, I already have the gravel laid. Because I have 3 more Revive and Drives in the works right now. One of them even bigger than the 2 dualies that we already have. And as you can see, I am already running out of space. And I don't really see the point in getting these projects running and driving and fixed up. Oh yeah, that broke the other day. We'll have to fix that. Just to throw them out in a field kind of defeats the purpose. Unless you're going to do another revival on them in a few years, I guess. But hey, you do you. This truck is such a sweetheart. So reliable. Oh yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, infrastructure. So with that being said, I'm going to take a few weeks off from posting videos to get all this stuff done. And then I'll be back to the regularly scheduled programming. Also, I want to thank all of you subscribers. We are almost at 600. That's crazy. That's just nuts. You make this channel what it is. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it is what it is. So I'm not going anywhere, but you won't see a video from me for probably a few weeks. But before I go, don't forget, be blessed. Peace. Wow, can you imagine having heat in the barn? I'll never have to wear shoes again. Be blessed. Peace.